How to fix error in RViz frame map does not exist. Let's go and solve this error together. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload. اشترك في القناة عشان يوصلك كل ما هو مهم واضغط لايك. Press like. So I collect all the diagnostic and estimating steps in this Word file. So first, check frame configuration. Ensure that the frames are correctly configured in your nav to bring up configuration files. Second, verify TF3. Use the TF2 tools or of package to visualize to the transform TF. 3. This can help you verify whether the map frame is being published and whether the necessary transforms are available. Then we have the number 3 down. These two items is very important. Launch TF2 Eco. Use the TF2 Eco code, this code, to launch it. Then 4, check localization node. Ensure that your localization node, such as AMCL or another localization package, is running correctly and is publishing the transform FT from map to ODOM or base link. Number 5, initial pause estimate. Sometimes setting an initial pause estimating can help you. Mention that you tried this already, but make sure it's done correctly. In RViz, select the 2D pause estimate. Click on your map where the robot is located and drag in the direction it is facing. This should send an initial pause estimate. Number 6, check RViz fixed frame. Sure that the fixed frame in RViz is you can set this in the global options section of the RViz display. Number 7, node logs. Check the logs of your nodes. And example TF2 configuration in launch file. This is the code in Python. So this is the code. You can check it and use it in Python compiler. And you can translate it to any other language like C++ or Java or JavaScript or any language. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible.